Hey everybody! It's Christopher Travels. How you doing? Well, the rain is going to start coming. It's going to rain for a couple days. Well, it says it is. But it's right over there. It's coming this way! See the flags? They're like, yep, it's coming from over there. So, hey look, the sun. Anyway, let's see. Ew, look at this big old thing that died in my yard. And I put a cover over this hole. Hopefully they'll be safe and the water doesn't go in there. But look, here's all my buckets. And I put a cover over this guy or girl or whatever it is. So I just took a shower and drained the thing, and I just wasted a little bit of water, but that's fine. Okay, rain, where are you? I'm ready. Well, it's finally a-raining. Let's look out here. Can't really see anything, but bring it on! I hear the thunder. Awesome. Moringas! I know you won't get sun for maybe till tomorrow, but you're okay. Okay, it's still sprinkling. And yeah, it doesn't look bad over there. Let me see. Let's see what's going on here. I got my rain boots. Ooh, hi train. Let's see how much water we collected. Wow, not bad. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Ooh, I gotta put this in here. Looks like the little house did a good job. But that's cool. Look at all that water. Awesome. Okay, it's still sprinkling, so... Aw, look at my flags. There's a bit of water collection there. In Carlos Pond area. Nice. Let's look over here. So, in this low area right here, it did just accrue a little bit of water. Nice. How you doing, Frankie? Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. Oh yeah, let's see. The panels, they're doing pretty good. Getting very little sun at the moment, of course. But, yeah. It's raining, it's pouring, nobody's snoring 'cause I'm up. Ooh, this is so awesome. Let me look. Cool. Hey everybody, I'm inside the barn dominium, and after I posted that last video, I got one of the most awesome suggestions, and then I use Marco Polo with my family, and my aunt suggested it too. And I was like, what? That is a cool idea. So this is the idea about the sliding glass door. So let me back up a little bit. Okay, so there's the door. I'm going to keep the doors. And then because the sliding glass door is taller than my opening, and I don't want to cut into the header there or anything to make the barn weak or anything, what I'm going to do, what I would love to do, is build a frame around the door that will fit the sliding glass door. So basically, the sliding glass door will sit like inside about to right there. So I'll lose this much space probably, but that's okay. And it'll also sit a little bit higher because it has like a threshold. But if I can find one that doesn't have a threshold, and I can, well, actually it needs the threshold to do the sliding glass door. But yeah, so build its own frame, seal it, and then the door will be sealed. So also in the meantime, I had a suggestion to put the weather or the some sealant things in there, and so when I get some money, not this coming paycheck, because I was off for a whole week and I don't get paid for being off yet because I'm new, and that's just how it is. So I'm just scrimping by right now. So maybe in a couple paychecks I'll get the good weather stripping until I can actually afford and pay down some bills and afford to do the sliding glass door thing. But that would be really cool. Then I could just swing my barn doors open and have a latch that'll keep them open, and then I can have that whole window looking straight out. I think that would be awesome. And then in inclement weather, or when I go to work, or when I leave, all I have to do is shut the barn doors, bam. Because the sliding glass door will already be sealed. So I just have to shut the barn doors and bam, done. I am so excited about that. Oh my gosh. So anyways, I hope you liked the footage of the rain, and I'm catching a lot of water in all my buckets and everything. It's just nuts. Like, I didn't know I was going to catch so much water, but it's going to be raining tomorrow and a little bit of the next day, so I'm excited. And it's just amazing to have rain every now and then. So I'll let you guys go. Thanks for being with me. I love you all. Live life to the fullest. I'll see you soon. Bye.